Hello everybody. I am here with my mushrooms. I got a mushroom kit from Back to the Roots. This is not a paid video or nothing like that. I just if I try a product and I really like it, then I'm gonna tell people about it. And I don't need anything for it, but I grew these mushrooms, and see, these are actually only 4 days old, believe it or not, and quite harvestable. And then, as you can see, there's a bunch of baby ones over here. I forgot the name of these mushrooms, but I did get the kit from the Back to the Roots website, and they offer, I believe, 4 different types of mushrooms. So I'm gonna try some other ones soon, probably. Well, if not this week, I'll place my order. It'll be next week. But yes, these are just turning out to be amazing. Let's see if I can. These are edible mushrooms, and I did tell my son that we would definitely be harvesting some of these for dinner. I might just put them into an omelet for breakfast. But yeah, I'm gonna just harvest up a bunch of the mature ones here. Or I might put them in some sort of soup. I'm also getting some tomatoes every day now from my Click and Grow system. Really happy about that. So that one looks a little bit small, might give it another day. You know, interesting fact about mushrooms, they actually about double in size every day. So if I leave some of these, even the bigger ones, they'll be even bigger tomorrow. Yeah, I just wanted to pick a few just so my son can see that we're definitely picking them from his little mushroom garden. Let's see if I can kind of tuck that back in there. What I basically did is I didn't actually do the kit the way that the packaging suggested. It just basically wanted you to open up the box, soak it overnight, and then, obviously slit the plastic and soak it overnight, and then, like, put it on your windowsill or something. Now, I've done that in the past, and yeah, you can see just from this many mushrooms right here, I didn't even get that many mushrooms by doing it that way. It just wouldn't stay moist enough. So this time, what I did was, I took the block of mushroom mycelium and cut it in half lengthwise. And that's the reason why you see 2 groups. I soaked it really good, and then I opened up a block of cocoa coir and put that into this bin. Moistened it all down. I also put in some worm compost from my worms, and then basically just put some cardboard here to help keep the moisture in. Not worms, but mushrooms. Mushrooms do like the dark. They don't need sun. They don't photosynthesize, so you don't have to worry about light sources or anything like that. They grow best when they're just moist, dark, humid, and so yeah, I'm gonna continue picking these, just some more of these, and then I'll spritz it again with some more moisture just to make sure. And this should basically just keep supplying us with mushrooms for a good while. And then once it no longer looks like it's producing mushrooms, I'll just break up the blocks completely, give it a good mix, moist it down again, and then it should just keep going. But like I said, I will try another kind of mushroom, and we'll do a comparison video at that point. But yeah, if you want to try growing your own mushrooms, it's a nice hobby, something that you can eat. It only, like I said, these are all 4 days old and they're ready to harvest, so definitely worth a try. You have a great day.